Okay, Indonesia had plenty of water, whether it is in ocean or mainland. But recent time there are a problem. Floods in rainy season, but drought in dry season. What happened with that? Was it because El Nino and La Nina was stronger and so means larger impact in floods and drought? Here we were conducted a research to assess the relevance between floods and drought in Bojonegoro with El Nino and La Nina events. We were using documentary on flood and drought impact from local government to validate our result. And this method were rarely used by researchers. This is for answer our question. Was stronger El Nino means a stronger impact on drought or floods? From the research, we know that dry periods were longer when El Nino occurred, but will be shortened when La Nina occurred. It is the relations between El Nino and rainfall become stronger when La Nina occurred. In previous results, we noted this strong correlated in dry season, but from this chart analysis, the discharge become larger when La Nina occurred. It means that La Nina have impact on daily rainfall in February to March. To validate our results, there are anomalies. Strong El Nino means large and intense impact on drought, but La Nina does not fit with several floods. Sometimes impact in floods, not in La Nina years. From the research, we can conclude that we can use INSO index to monitor our early warning system for water management, especially for dry season. But for flood analysis, need other factor. There is anthropogenic factor, MGO or tropical cyclone.